Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use moringa powder in food. Moringa powder, derived from the dried leaves of the Moringa oleifera tree, is a nutritional powerhouse. It is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants, offering numerous health benefits. Its flavor is subtly earthy and green, often compared to matcha. To begin, a small amount, typically 1/2 to 1 teaspoon per day, is a great starting point for incorporating this superfood into your diet. Moringa powder easily integrates into various beverages. For a quick nutritional boost, simply blend 1/2 to 1 teaspoon into your morning smoothie. You can also stir it into a glass of juice, water, or your preferred plant-based milk. Some people enjoy adding it to their hot tea or coffee, which imparts a subtle earthy note. It is also excellent when mixed into protein shakes, providing additional support for post-workout recovery. Beyond drinks, moringa powder is incredibly versatile in cooking. You can easily sprinkle 1/2 to 1 teaspoon into warm dishes like soups, stews, or sauces. It also works wonderfully when mixed into homemade salad dressings or creamy dips, adding a nutritional punch. For those who enjoy baking, consider incorporating it into muffins, bread, or energy bites. Even simple scrambled eggs or omelets can benefit from a small addition. To get the most out of moringa powder, remember a few key practices. Always start with a small amount, such as 1/2 teaspoon, and gradually increase as your body adjusts. To preserve its delicate nutrients, it is best to add moringa powder towards the end of the cooking process. Store your powder in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency. Finally, if you have any health concerns, consult a healthcare professional.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.